Chopping vegetables has never been this fast or this easy. Meet the Mahler Pro Series Chopper, your ultimate kitchen time saver. With its ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, you can dice onions, slice cucumbers, and chop veggies in seconds. No tears, no mess. Just place your ingredients, press down, and done. It comes with multiple interchangeable blades, giving you perfect cuts every time, from fine dicing to thick slices. The large container keeps everything neat and organized, while the non-slip base ensures safe and stable use. And cleanup? Super simple, just rinse and go. Whether you're cooking daily meals or prepping for a feast, the Mueller Pro Series Chopper makes kitchen work faster, easier, and more fun. Save time, reduce effort, cook smarter. Mueller Pro Series Chopper, the smarter way to chop.